What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to change the font and style of your caption and bio in Instagram. To do so, we'll have to actually go to a website. So open your browser, Safari, Google Chrome, or whatever browser you're using, opening Safari. And you want to go to this website, igfonts.io. Hit go. It's a really simple website with a minimalistic interface. So all you have to do is write down what you want to write in Instagram. So let's write test caption bio. And as you can see, it gives you many fonts and styles to choose from. So let's say I like the first one here. I can simply select it like you normally select any text on your phone, and then copy it and paste it in your bio or caption.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.